What if everything you've been doing on YouTube is completely backwards? Not your camera, not your editing, not even your topic, the order you're doing things in. I'm going to show you exactly what separates channels that explode from channels that die at 0 views, and it comes down to 10 things that almost nobody talks about correctly. But before I do, let me tell you about a creator I watched closely for 6 months. She uploaded every single week. Decent camera, good energy, real effort. Month 112 views, month 240. Month 3, she quit. Here's the thing, she wasn't doing bad work, she was doing the work in the wrong order, and nobody told her. That's what this video is for. The algorithm is just your audience. Stop saying the algorithm hated my video. Say this instead, my audience didn't enjoy my video. That one shift changes everything, because now it's your problem to solve. YouTube isn't punishing you, it's a mirror. It reflects exactly what real people choose to watch. Make content people genuinely love, and the platform rewards you automatically. Packaging comes before content. Here's the thing most creators get completely backwards. They film the video first, then they think about the title and thumbnail last, like it's an afterthought. That's the wrong order. Your title and thumbnail are the only reason someone clicks, and no click means no view, no matter how incredible the video is. So here's what you do instead. Come up with your title and thumbnail first, then build the entire video to deliver on that promise. One clear idea, one bold reason to click, and always, always design your thumbnail for a small phone screen, because that's where most people are watching. The hook is everything. When someone clicks, you have 5 seconds. 5 seconds before they leave and never come back. So don't open with, "Hey guys, welcome back." Open with a question they need to know the answer to, or a story that makes them wonder how it ends, or a statement so unexpected they can't scroll away. Curiosity is the engine. Pull them in from the very first second. Tell stories, not facts. Here's the most powerful skill on YouTube, and it has nothing to do with the algorithm. It's storytelling. Algorithms change, trends die, but a great story has held human attention for 200,000 years. So stop presenting information like a list. Wrap your message inside a story. Make people feel something. And whenever you can, build toward a twist, an unexpected turn that flips everything the viewer thought they knew. That moment of surprise, that's what makes a video unforgettable. Pick a hard niche, not an easy one. Everyone runs toward the easy niche. Logs, reactions, random content. But here's the paradox. The easier the niche, the more competition you face. The harder the niche, the fewer people doing it well. Find something genuinely difficult, then find a way to make it feel simple and clear for your audience. That combination, hard to replicate, easy to watch, is your competitive advantage. One great video beats 10 average ones. Most new creators think volume is a strategy. Upload constantly, stay consistent, grind it out. But here's the truth. One genuinely great video will always outperform 10 rushed, forgettable ones. Don't try to make everything at once. Take your time. Make something worth watching. One great video a week is more than enough. Focus on 2 numbers only. Most creators track the wrong things. Views feel exciting. Likes feel validating. Neither of those grows your channel. Here are the only 2 numbers that actually matter. First, your click-through rate. Are people clicking when they see your video? Above 10% means your packaging is working. Second, your average view duration. Are people actually watching? 60% or higher means your content is delivering. YouTube promotes videos that get clicked and watched. Obsess over these 2. Ignore everything else. Stay in your lane. The platform learns what your channel is about based on what you consistently post. Post in one clear niche. YouTube knows exactly who to show your videos to. Jump between random topics. The platform gets confused. So does your audience. Pick your lane. Build your identity inside it. Once you have a loyal audience that trusts you, then you expand. Not before. Engagement that actually moves the needle. Stop asking people to like and subscribe at the end of every video. Here's what actually works. Tell your viewers to watch another video on your channel. When someone watches a second video, YouTube sees that as a strong signal of quality and starts pushing your content to more people. On top of that, end your videos with a real question. Something that genuinely makes viewers want to leave a comment. Comments, rewatches, shares, those are the signals that build a channel. Be authentic, not perfect. Stop waiting for the perfect camera. Stop waiting for the perfect setup. In a world full of overly polished, produced content, raw honesty stands out. Your genuine energy, your real perspective, your actual personality, those things cannot be faked and cannot be copied. Right now, YouTube is actively pushing newer, smaller creators. Authenticity is winning. Show up as you are, because your audience can always tell when something is real, and they will always choose real over perfect. So here's what I want you to think about. Out of everything you just heard, which one are you guilty of getting backwards? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and if this actually helped you, don't subscribe. Just go watch one more video on this channel. That's the move that actually matters.